In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to easily embed videos in WordPress blog posts. Do you want to embed videos in your WordPress blog posts? Videos bring life to your website, and they're a great way to increase your user engagement. You can easily embed them on your blog posts. To do that, in your dashboard, go to Posts, and click on All Posts. Open the post you want to embed a video in. I'm going to edit this post. Now go to the video you want to embed and copy the video URL. Back in the post, just paste the URL in the post like this. Wait a few seconds and the video will be embedded in the post. Then click on Update. And let's view the post to see if the video was added successfully. And as you can see, the video is displayed here. This is how you can easily embed videos in a WordPress blog post. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.